Hello friends, my name is Kirsten Robertson and I want to share with you a secret. It's nature's recipe for a Garden of Eden. So you want to grow fruit in your backyard, but you're not really sure what to grow. Should you grow apples or oranges or peaches? That's what we buy in the grocery store. But it turns out that those types of fruits take a lot of pampering here where we live in the upstate of South Carolina. What we want is fruit trees that take care of themselves. Now that would be a Garden of Eden. Those Gardens of Eden do exist. They're all over, and they're called native forests. Native forests provide fruit and nuts year after year. No one takes care of them, no one fertilizes them, and so that is nature's recipe for being able to grow fruit in our backyards. How do I know this will work? Because nature has shown us. If you were to leave your lawn and not mow it for decades, it would eventually grow into an oak hickory forest. Because of our soils and climate, we know that we'll end up with an oak hickory forest. But what's edible in an oak hickory forest? Acorns can be ground into flour, and hickory nuts are edible, but that's probably not what you had in mind for your orchards. There are lots of other fruits and nuts that we can grow. There are pawpaws and blueberries, high-bush cranberries, grapes, passion fruit, persimmons. The list goes on a lot longer. Those are the type fruits that we're going to talk about in this upcoming film series. We're going to walk you through our Garden of Eden throughout this coming year and talk about each fruit and nut as it ripens. I hope you'll join me. Let's work with nature to grow our food. Bye for now.